Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making venison stock. This recipe takes 15 minutes to prep and 8 hours to cook, serves 8 to 10, and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 4 to 5 pounds venison bones and trimmings, 2 onions, 3 carrots, 3 celery stalks, 1 head garlic, 6 sprigs thyme, 3 bay leaves, 1 bunch parsley stems, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, and 12 cups cold water. Step 1. Roasting. Roast bones at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes until golden brown. Step 2. Assembly. Transfer bones to stock pot with vegetables, herbs, and spices. Step 3. Water. Cover with cold water by 2 inches. Step 4. Simmering. Bring to gentle simmer and cook 3 to 4 hours, skimming regularly. Step 5. Straining. Strain through fine mesh strainer, pressing solids gently. Step 6. Cooling. Cool quickly in ice bath, then refrigerate. And that's how you make venison stock. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.